Good afternoon, manufacturing all-stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today, you're going to learn about alternatives for connecting edge devices in industrial automation. I'm joined by Tom Schaefer from Phoenix Digital. Welcome to the show, Tom.
Thanks a lot. Glad to be here.
Happy to have you. And just so we give the audience some context, can you give us some background on who Phoenix Digital is?
Sure. Phoenix Digital is an Encompass partner that's been with Rockwell for close to 30 years. We've always supplied Rockwell high availability, redundant fiber optic systems back in the day for remote I/O and data highway, ControlNet, and over the last 15 years, an Ethernet solution for edge devices for multi-fault tolerant, high availability type applications.
Well, we mentioned at the start alternatives for connecting edge devices. Give us some background. Why is this important for folks out there in industrial automation today?
Sure, thanks. So traditionally, to deploy high availability redundant systems, it requires a fair amount of complexity in design, in layout, in engineering. Not every customer has that ability to do that, and also they can be fairly expensive systems as well too. We've been doing this, like I said, back with legacy systems and today with Ethernet-based systems. Our network's set up with one dip switch and no software. We handle broadcast traffic, multicast traffic and such very, very well. We're very well behaved. But again, we're a pure play designed I/O solution. So you get some interesting benefits from a maintenance standpoint and a deployment standpoint. For instance, if you power cycle our network, we'll be back stable and operational in less than 10 seconds.
That's quick.
That's very quick. If you've deployed other networking solutions, that's really quick. If one of our units would happen to fail in the field, any maintenance tech with no computer, no instruction manual, simply removes the device from the network. The rest of the network will still stay stable and operational. He replaces it. He sets the dip switches the same way as the old one, sticks it back on the DIN rail, plugs in the fiber, plugs in the copper. It fires up and goes, and he's ready to go in less than 30 seconds.
Now, you're talking a lot of good benefits here, especially in terms of the speed to get this going. You know, maybe let's put this in the context of a success story or a project that you've done before.
Sure. Probably the most public one that we've done, if you go back in the journal, I think it's back in December 17, we wrote up a application for Laguna Madre in Texas. Carollo Engineers out of Denver was the design consultant on the job. That network deployed, I believe it was 11 CompactLogix racks, which we are an in-chassis solution for CompactLogix. There was 2 third-party large MCCs that we had to connect to, and again, that network set up with truly one dip switch and no software.
Love that. Well, as we're wrapping up, what would be your call to action for the audience if they're looking to take some action with you guys?
Sure. Well, first off, please take a look at your applications. Don't be afraid of these high availability systems. Typically, the way we engage customers, you can send us a drawing of the current design, and we can certainly come in, overlay our system on top of that, work through the issues, see how much of it you want to optimize, and come up with a nice, clean strategy that you can live with both today and into the future as well, too. You can get a hold of me at my email, which is listed below, and also my phone number that's listed below, too.
Awesome, and I'll have a link to all of that, as well as a link to the website below this video in the description. In the meantime, Tom, thanks so much for being on the show today.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Hey, happy to have you. And for those of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you back here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.